I'm a big project person, and this is already broken. And even this, that used to be my go-to dustbin, is just not going to do it anymore. I need to up my game, and maybe you do too, by going to 5-gallon buckets. I saw these in the store. Actually, I saw this one first. It's a Project Source, and this is a Danco. I got this at Home Depot, I got this at Lowe's, and we're going to try both of them out and see how they work with this 5-gallon bucket. And if they do, holy moly, this could be a game changer. The Danco dustbin attachable, so put it on the side like this, line it up, push down on the tips, and boom. That's what your bucket looks like. It slides really well, so that's not a problem. For the quick lid clip-on for Project Source, you stand the bucket up and push down like that, and then the sides. And there you go. This bucket's ready. So one thing I've noticed about the Danco version is that it easily rotates around, which may or may not be an advantage. Project Source quick lid, once you put it in place, it's in place. It doesn't move or slide at all compared to the Danco. Now it's time to put these to the test. Just hold so much debris. It's amazing. Now, which one do I like the best? It's almost a tie. I like the Danco, moves around. This is firm. This seems to be a little more rugged construction, and sometimes that lip is helpful to keep debris in as opposed to this. But the thing that's an advantage to keeping the debris in, keeps the debris in when you want to empty it. I guess you can just empty it on this side. That works too. Taking it off, we'll do that real quick here. Just store it down inside. Get this one off. Use it like this. So you got to push down on this tab, take it off. Both go inside an empty bucket for convenient storage. Or you can drill a hole here. This one actually has a hole. I guess I could just drill a hole somewhere around here. Drill 2 holes and put a cable tie in there to hang this one up against the wall like this, and against the wall like this. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of home tools and evaluations, home repairs, designs of all kinds, making and breaking things, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props, check out my channel. Please subscribe, because you never know what home ideas you might see.